Now we are starting on chapter 3 of the textbook, and these are my notes for chapter 3. I was able to again highlight on the textbook, on the online textbook, and then write it handwritten in my notebook, and then I scanned it onto my iPad. That really helped me because I liked the handwriting process. It also made me want to put down what I actually learned instead of just writing everything I can think of, which I feel like is important. I know we talk a lot about revising our notes, and I think that is important. And understanding that highlighting everything is inefficient, just like this highlight says. But that was really important for me to understand, and I didn't want to waste my time reading and writing everything when it was really important to just make connections. I think that really, really helped me understand that studying is only worth it when you're using it efficiently. We're going to go through page 133 for this one. I did some of the activities I would do mentally, but these activities helped to do it on the textbook, especially when I was talking about annotating. We got to practice. I found that annotating on the textbook is a little hard when we don't have as many tools to use, like circling and underlining things like with chicken scratch and all that stuff. I think that's helpful, even though it's a little bit messier. And just reading the examples were really helpful. Again, this is my notes for chapter 3. Now we're going to go on to chapter 4, which is vocabulary. And these are my notes for chapter 4. Again, I would take away everything from a page, and that was really helpful for me, so that I would understand the main ideas, which we'll get into next chapter. But this was super helpful. I loved highlighting, and I liked picking the color. I made mine blue. I kind of wish I picked pink because I like pink a lot. But I really like the pictures in this textbook, actually. I think that really helped me understand the concepts of everything. And we're going to go through page 191 with this chapter. Some of the pages I found, actually, I couldn't really highlight a lot because a lot of it was the examples, which was kind of hard. But I think I did the best with what I could do on the highlighting, and I just took away more on my notes for those pages. And that was really helpful. I loved context clues. Sorry, I skipped a part of it. I loved the context clues. That was my favorite part, because I really like context and how things can change with that. And now we are getting close to the end of this one with all of the questions. But yeah, so again, that was that for chapter 4.